of your destinations.
Oo, sama nyo kami ni Richard.
Yan, mas maganda yan.
Yun. Okay mga kaibigan, third quarter now underway. Talk and Text versus Red Bull. Bola ngayon nasa kamay ni EJ File against Asi Taulava. Wala, nakuha ulit ni EJ. Pangalawang pagkakataon, wala pa rin. Rebound, nakuha na ni Asi Taulava.
At yun, parang nag-wrestling.
Oh.
Itong si Asi Taulava at EJ File. Surprise start here for Red Bull. EJ File starting the second half.
Tapatan ng dalawang higante doon sa ilalim. So ito, bola ngayon na nasa panig ng Talk and Text phone pals. Nasa kanila pa rin ang 2-point lead dito sa third quarter. Jimmy Alapag. Over to Pablo. Binigay ni Vic Pablo kay Asi Taulava. Taulava powering its way against EJ File. Sabi ni Asi Taulava, baliwala yung tangkad mo sa akin.
That's right, just powering himself, muscling his way inside the paint. At yun, nakuha pa rin niya. Putos siya against EJ File.
51-47. EJ File gets the pass inside. Nilabas muna. Matatapikan ni Mac Cardona. Pero last touch si Mac.
Oh, well, that was a bad angle dun sa pasa na yun ni EJ File.
So side court throw in para sa Red Bull. EJ File tinanggap yung pasa. Pinalik muna kay Cyrus Baguio. Cyrus Baguio spinning against Cardona. Baguio getting away. Napakaganda talaga ng spin move si Cyrus Baguio.
Oo, talagang yan yung trademark nitong si Cyrus Baguio, no? Every time it whirls to the basket, talagang very exciting panoorin. Pero nakabawi ka agad dito si Mac Cardona.
Quick answer on the other end para dito kay Captain Hook. EJ File. Ito naman si Cyrus Baguio. Binanggana ni Mac Cardona.
So parang nagkakaroon dito ng sagutan between Cyrus Baguio and Mac Cardona, no?
Nagkabanggaan sila on that drive by Cyrus Baguio. Ito si Warren Ibanez for the inbound. Ito ngayon si Cyrus Baguio. Baguio challenging Cardona. Nilabas kay Warren Ibanez. Left wide open. Ibanez will miss. Rebound ni Baguio. With the right hand, wala pa rin. EJ File, napalakas o glass. Pero ito, persistence working for Red Bull. EJ File, hiningi yung pasa. EJ File off the glass. Powerful play from the biggest man on the court.
Well, persistent space off for EJ File. Talagang hanging around the basket. At yun, finally got his 2 points.
Vic Pablo, pinabayaan, galing sa labas. Luckily, he will miss. At ito, sa agawan sa rebound.
Well, nakita na rin kasi ni Coach Yeng Giao na talagang dehado sila sa rebounding nung first half. Kaya pinasok niya si EJ File to put a body on Asi Taulava. And will put Enrico Villanueva no Harvey Carey. Dahil maraming offensive rebounds nung nakuha ni Harvey Carey in the first half. Try to control the boards for Red Bull.
Ito nga si Mac Cardona. Nakatalikod si Cyrus Baguio pero hindi pumasok yung tira ni Mac Cardona.
So last touch dito, ang tatawag sa Talk and Text. Ball goes back to Red Bull.
Warren Ibanez streaking down court for Red Bull. Ibanez over to Villanueva. Pinigay muna niya kay Larry Fonasher. Fonasher, pasa pala kay Enrico. Pass fake.
Yes.
And 3-second violation. Case of overpassing, Richard.
Yeah, good call by the referee. Talaga si EJ File kanina pa nandun sa loob ng paint at tatawagan siya ng 3-second violation.
So, still a close ball game ang ating nasasaksihan dito sa Dumaguete, 53-51. 2-point lead lang ang Talk and Text. 9 minutes and 35 remaining in the third. Jimmy Alapag, laban kay Warren Ibanez. Alapag, inside pass for Harvey Carey, blocked. Cyrus Baguio, bago makawala, hinawakan na ni Vic Pablo.
That's a good foul given up by Vic Pablo dahil meron ng tatlong Red Bull players streaking down the court. So, trying to prevent yung mga transition plays itong Red Bull na siya naman naging problema ng Talk and Text back in the first half.
Warren Ibanez for Red Bull. Enrico, nilabas ulit kay Warren Ibanez. Enrico gets the pass inside. Enrico, umatake. Mid-range jumper, lumabas. Agawan sa loose ball. Fonasher, nilabas kay Baguio. Left all day, but he will miss again. Ang daming open shots ng Red Bull na hindi nila pinapasok.
Oh, and loose ball foul. Ang ito tawag dito kay Jimmy Alapag on that rebound play.
So possession will stay with Red Bull. Side court throw in mula sa kamay ni Larry Fonacier. Enrico still difficulty on the inside para dito kay Enrico Villanueva.
Oh, well, he had to hurry that layup no? Kasi nakita niya, nandun na yung help defense ni Asi Taulava.
Possession ngayon nasa panig ng Talk and Text phone pals. 2-point lead for Talk and Text. Here's Vic Pablo, fall away from 15. Maganda talbog at papasok para kay Vic Pablo.
At saka well-timed yung kanyang jump shot na yun. It took 2 dribbles and then went up strong to the basket for Vic Pablo.
EJ File posting up Asi. Fall away by EJ. Oh, what a shot for EJ File.
Well, you cannot fault Asi Taulava that time. That was good defense. Pumasok lang talaga yung tira ni EJ. But ito, Asi Taulava beating EJ File down the floor. Nabawi niya kagad yung 2 points.
Apat pa rin ang kalamangan ng Talk and Text. 57-53. Ibanez over to Fonacier. Bigay kay Enrico. Villanueva. Straight to the middle. Villanueva. Short range. Wala. Here's Cardona. Natatapikan but he keeps control of the ball.
Yeah, good defense by Cyrus Baguio. Stopping the man with the basketball para ma-prevent yung fast break play for Talk and Text.
Jimmy Alapag. Inside to Asi Taulava. Lumusot sa ilalim ng paa ni Asi. And that will be Red Bull basketball.
Yes, very difficult talaga for a big guy like Asi Taulava to catch a basketball pag ganun kababa. Nausla na pa dito. Venue natin, medyo mainit. So talaga yung pawis sa bola makes that basketball very slippery.
Larry Fonacier looking for Baguio. Cyrus, fall away. Still nothing. And agawan sa rebound between Harvey Carey and Enrico Villanueva results to a jump ball.
At Cyrus Baguio likes his matchup with Mac Cardona. No? Talagang hinihingi na yung bola. Once nakita niya, to si Mac ang buwabantay sa kanya.
Jump ball between Enrico and Harvey Carey. Napupunta sa kamay ni EJ File. Quick shot from EJ off the glass. Wala.
Hindi siya balance that time, kaya sumobra yung kanyang tira.
Jimmy Alapag over to Asi Taulava. The fake. The shot is good for Asi Taulava. Hindi siya nararatel na sa harap niya si EJ File.
Good pass coming from Jimmy Alapag, pero ito si Alapag medyo nahawakan yung kanyang right thigh.
Warren Ibanez for Red Bull. Ibanez from 17. Rebound by Asi. At kinapitan na sa likod. Itong si Asi Taulava.
That's right, wala na magawa doon si EJ File. Magtika niya sakyan, ito si Asi Taulava. Naku, kahit ganyan kalaki si Asi Taulava, pag si EJ sumakay sa likod mo, naku, delikado yun.
So, bola ngayon nasa panig ng Talk and Text phone pals. 6-point lead for Talk and Text.
Now Mick Pinisi checking in the ball game. Now it's his turn to guard Asi Taulava.
Jimmy Alapag. Inside pero natapikan. Here's Larry Fonacier. Diretso Fonacier with a left hand. Completing the fast break para sa Red Bull.
So madadagdagan na naman ang mga fast break points nitong Red Bull as Larry Fonacier gets his 8th point of the ball game.
Ito makulit ang depensa ni Warren Ibanez.
At ito si Jimmy Alapag holding on to his right thigh. Yung ay sinasabi natin kanina, mukhang tinamaan or maybe he's cramping up.
Oo. So we don't really know what's going on, pero it looks like Jimmy Alapag is in pain. And the Talk and Text phone pals have to call a 30-second timeout para malaman kung anong problema ni Jimmy Alapag.
Villanueva with 6 points. And si Asi Taulava already with 17 points.
Huge figures for the Rock.
Although hindi talaga sila nagbabantayan masyado, it's Mick Pinisi guarding Asi Taulava and Rico Villanueva taking on Harvey Carey.
Parang hindi talaga mahawakan yung bola dito. Samantala, Vic Pablo loses control of the ball, lalabas. The ball will stay with Talk and Text.
Ayan, makikita natin si Jimmy Alapag They're icing his leg right now. At yan, meron pa siyang ice dyan sa ulo. Try to cool him down. Maybe a case of a cramp.
So mukhang cramps dahil naka-bandage ang gusto no?
Or maybe tinamaan rin yan. Could have been medyo may soreness yung kanyang leg. As we see the field goals, Red Bull 4 of 15. So really struggling, no? Though mas marami yung attempts nila from the field.
Vic Pablo from the outside. Once again, pumasok yung TM3. Atin sa inyo ng bagong TM, Power to the People. Ito ngayon si Enrico Villanueva tries the acrobatic reverse.
Oh, he wanted to dunk that basketball. Kaya nga lang, nandun, sumalubong itong si Asi Taulava. He wanted to try to be more creative. At nakuha niya yung third foul sa injury ni Jimmy Alapag. Tinamaan pala yung kanyang left calf muscle. Kaya nandyan sa bench ngayon si Jimmy Alapag. Ayun, they're icing it right now. Natuhod raw siya dyan sa kanyang left calf muscle.
Samantala ito si Enrico Villanueva, 0 of 5 from the line. Finally, pumasok na yung free throws para kay Enrico. One more to go for the Raging Bull. 7 points, 6 rebounds para kay Enrico. At yung second free throw niya, hindi papasok.
Talagang medyo may ano pa rin sa kaliwa no? Kumakaliwa yung kanyang free throws.
Talk and Text still on top and in control sa ating third quarter. William Miller, binigay kay Asi Taulava. Asi posting up outside to Willie, binalik na kay Asi. Taulava, the kick out. Vic Pablo, floater. Ito pagkakataon para sa Red Bull. Lordy Tugade, medyo mababa. Yung pasa ni Cyrus Baguio, hindi nahabol.
Oo, sayang yung opportunity na yon for Red Bull. At ngayon, babalik na naman ang bola sa Talk and Text phone pals.
William Miller, may tanga ng bola, binigay muna kay Harvey Carey.
Talk and Text fan siya. So
Mac Cardona swings it outside to William Miller, looking for Vic Pablo. Alam nila natin, hinahanap nila si Asi Taulava. Asi posting up against Mick Penisi. Taulava is fouled and it counts for the Rock.
Oh, he really wanted that basketball. Kaya nga kanina nung pumasok doon kanina, medyo tumabi sa kanya si Mac Cardona, pinatabi niya. For Asi Taulava who misses his extra free throw.
Warren Ibanez ngayon ang may hawak ng bola. Red Bull trying to get in the offensive rhythm. Eto, Enrico Villanueva, hawi ang tatawag ng ating referees na mahagis. Itong si Asi Taulava.
Tama yan, no? Kasi medyo out of control doon si Rico Villanueva. Asi was already standing inside the lane. Pangatlong foul na yan ni Rico Villanueva.
Samantala ito si Leo Avenido checks in. Pinalitan muna si Vic Pablo.
So this is the biggest lead for the Talk and Text phone pals, 8 points.
William Miller. So si Harvey Carey over to Mac Cardona. Talk and Text. Over to
Nice
Harvey.
pass.
Oo, catching the defense of Red Bull sleeping. Walang nakahabol no? Hindi nila nakita yung execution ng play na yon.
Pumelp kasi si Rico Villanueva dito sa pag-drive ni Mac Cardona against Warren Ibanez. And Harvey Carey did a good job moving without the basketball. Kaya siya nakascore doon.
Mick Penisi gets the inside pass and napakadali na kung ganun kalapit at ganyan kakatangkad. Ipapain mo na lang sa ring.
That's right, no? At saka mas matangkad siya doon talaga dahil si Harvey Carey ang nagpo-front sa kanya.
Leo Avenido over to Asi Taulava. Flop.
Oh!
Slam dunk once again for Asi Taulava. At hinanap na naman niya si Enrico Villanueva.
Oh, once again, may stare down na naman na nangyari doon. Pangalawang beses na na-posterize ito si Enrico ni Asi Taulava.
Here's Lordy Tugade.
Oh, big shot.
Oh, I think Willie Miller got a hand on that kahit paano.
Oo, yun na nga. Wala ka na mahihingi doon sa depensa ni Willie Miller. It was challenge pero Lordy Tugade hitting a big three.
Oh, TM3 yan natin sa atin ng bagong TM, Power to the People. Ito ngayon si Harvey Carey, top of the key. Carey against Villanueva. Harvey fall away short. Warren Ibanez behind the back to Cyrus Baguio. Baguio may bangga. Leo Avenido sprawled on the floor. And blocking foul ang itatawag kay Leo Avenido, his second in the ball game.
Yeah, may palitan na tayo ng tao dito ngayon as Paulo Bugia checks in for Rico Villanueva at Pochuino. Pinagpahinga muna si Taulava. Kaya makikita natin, assist department. 18 assists. That's a good number for Talk and Text. Red Bull not too far behind with 14.
Tugade momentarily open. Sa pagsaksak niya sa gitna. May foul na naman ay tatawag. Nako. Napapangiwi. Itong si Leo Avenido dahil pangatlong personal foul niya na ball game. 2 successive fouls para kay Leo Avenido.
So more importantly, that puts them in the penalty. Kaya merong free throw shooting opportunity here for Lordy Tugade.
Lordy's first free throw.
Na hindi siya mag-cramp dito sa ball game para makabalik pa siya mamaya.
2 for 2 sa free throw line para kay Lordy Tugade. Muntikan pa niya maagawan si Willie Miller. Lead of Talk and Text down to 5 points. 2 minutes and 58 remaining in the third quarter. Willie Miller from the outside. TM tres na naman for Willie Miller. At sa atin yan ang bagong TM power to the people.
That's a quick jumper by Willie Miller. Hindi na-expect yun ni Lordy Tugade.
Paulo Bugia. Dire-diretso. Pinigay kay Junti Valenzuela. Penisi. Kicks it outside to Lordy Tugade. Tugade side step. Maagawan Willie Miller. Wala pa rin may hawak ng bola. And jump ball ang sinignal ng ating referees.
Oh, the crowd is loving the action. Very good action as you see. And the governor, of course, with Commissioner Noli Ayala, to enjoy the ball game.
Governor George Arnaiz of the province of Oriental Negros watching the action along with several PBA luminaries like Commissioner Noli Ayala. So eto mga kaibigan, sa pagbabalik ng ating aksyon, it will be a jump ball between Willie Miller and Lordy Tugade. Talk and Text still in control so far. Nasa kanilang kalamangan, 71-63. As you can see on top of your screens, eto ngayon ang jump ball. Ang bola mapupunta sa kamay ni Willie Miller. Talk and Text setting up their offense. Willie Miller. Crossover ni Miller. Pumihit. Nasa kanya pa rin ang bola. Pochuino galing sa labas. Wino will score from the perimeter.
And he has really developed that shot.
Oo, 3-pointer yan mga kaibigan. At TM3 from Pochuino. At sa atin ang bagong TM power to the people. Ito ngayon si Topex Robinson inside to Lordy Tugade. Tugade. Dinidikitan ni Miller. Tugade. Alahoy natira, wala. Leo Avenido keeps control of the loose ball. Mac Cardona challenging Junti Valenzuela. Lalabas ang bola.
A good defense there by Junti Valenzuela, preventing that fast break by Mac Cardona. Pero ito na, medyo lumalayo na dito ang Talk and Text, no? Biggest lead of the ball game, 11 points.
Parang hindi makakuha ng tira itong Red Bull Barako. Samantala, Mac Cardona nilapit, the teardrop. Mac Cardona is short on that try.
Doon na, ahead na si Robinson.
Natapikan.
But you know, ahead na doon si Topex Robinson, but si Junti Valenzuela did not give up the basketball. Kaya very upset itong si Coach Xiang Giao.
Hindi nakita ni Junti.
Actually, maybe he saw it, kaya nga lang he just elected to go ahead and go straight to the basket.
Pochuino over to Harvey Carey. Willie Miller hiningi yung bola, and Miller from the outside is no good. Tugade gets the outlet pass. Tugade for 3. Montica na but not quite. Loose ball scramble will end up with the hands of Topex Robinson. Mick Penisi na libre. Penisi will score another TM3. At sa atin ng bagong TM power to the people.
Pang-apat na TM3 na yan ni Mick Penisi.
Ang init ni Mick Penisi from 3-point region. Harvey Carey looking for Willie Miller. Pinali kay Pochuino. Na libre si Pochuino from the outside. Agawan sa rebound. Carey gets the board. Natatapikan itong si Harvey Carey.
You really have to put a body on Harvey Carey, kundi mamimiesta yan sa offensive rebounds.
Pero ito, meron tayong substitution. Harvey Carey gets a breather at papasok na naman sa ating ball game. Etong si Big John Ferriols. Miller. Misses from the left side pero nakuha ni Winyo yung loose ball.
Oo nga, talagang lumapit lang yung bola sa kanya.
Leo Avenido naman, susubok sa labas. Avenido, naku, umalog lang. Tupex over to Junti. Valenzuela, binigay kay Mick Penisi. Isa pa daw, sabi ni Penisi. 2 straight TM presses para dito kay Mick Penisi. Atin sa atin yun ang bagong TM, power to the people. Ayaw magmintis, ha?
Napakainit dito sa 3-point area ni Mick Penisi. Pang-5 na yan ni Mick Penisi in this ball game.
John Ferriols fresh from the bench to Mira from 16 and he will miss.
Towards the end of the third quarter, no? Big 3-point shots coming from Mick Penisi. Kaya from 11 points down, ito, 5 na lang kanilang inahabol. Pero John Ferriols starting their campaign here in the fourth with a good note.
Napakaganda nung up and under move ni John Ferriols. Samantala ito ang Red Bull Barako trying to get one up. 3-pointer for Lordi. Still nothing for Tugade. Third quarter field goals natin, Richard, medyo malayo.
Oo, ito. So, talagang Red Bull still struggling from the field.
Ito ngayon si Tupex Robinson challenging William Miller pero lumabas yung kanyang layup. William Miller ngayon for talk and text. John Ferriols. Miller inside to Poch Winyo. Winyo powers his way but misses. Winyo, isa pa. Napakasipag itong veterano ng talk and text si Poch Winyo.
Kaya nga siya kinuha ni Coach Derek Pumaren to provide quality minutes, no? In lieu of Asi Taolava. At yan ang pinapakita nitong si Poch Winyo. Really battling off the boards. Kalaban niya yung mga mas nakababata sa kanya. Although si Poch Winyo, syempre, bata pa rin to. Halos kasi edad ko lang to eh.
Batang-bata.
Oo, batang-bata yan.
So Poch Winyo on the line for talk and text. He'll miss his first free throw kahapon. Medyo nagkaroon tayo ng pagkakataong makausap itong si Poch Winyo.
Oo.
At sabi niya na nang nalipat siya dito sa talk and text phone pals, naging role player siya more than a scorer. Kasi alam niya na medyo kailangan siya ng talk and text to be a role player and take the lead dahil veterano nga naman siya.
Oh, he doesn't mind. No? At least now he's getting more playing minutes than dun sa last team niya. At well, masaya rin naman to si Poch Winyo sa paglipat niya dito sa talk and text phone pals.
So second free throw pumasok para dito kay Poch Winyo. 8-point advantage for the talk and text phone pals. Junti Valenzuela looking for Enrico Villanueva. Pero may pito itong ating mga referees. Holding foul on Poch Winyo. Pangalawang personal foul lang ni Poch Winyo in this ball game. 14 seconds of shot clock ng Red Bull as Rich Alvarez tries to operate against John Ferriols. Nilabas kay Topex. Junti Valenzuela from the outside pero wala.
Another chance here. Lordi Tugade naman.
Hirap na hirap tumira itong si Lordi Tugade in this ball game. Samantala, Vic Pablo wisely waiting for his teammates. Pasa kay John Ferriols, matatapikan. Steal completed by Red Bull. Tupex Robinson, bigay kay Junti. Enrico, up step, wala pa rin. And tipsy new shot by Junti Valenzuela finally goes in.
Finally, no? Yun ang tamang word. Finally, ang dami na nilang attempts that time.
Parang hirap na hirap silang ipasok yung bola.
Tama.
So lead of talk and text, baba na sa 6. Pablo inside to Winyo. Pinili kay Vic Pablo. They swing it inside to John Ferriols. Ferriols, the fall away. Masyadong malakas for John Ferriols.
So far, itong zone defense ng Red Bull working for them right now.
Enrico. Strong drive inside at nakabingwit naman siya ng foul.
Oo.
Napapangiwi si Poch Winyo.
Oo, kasi natamaan pa siya sa uso in that play.
So Poch Winyo gets his third personal foul at may 2 free throw. Itong si Raging Bull, Enrico Villanueva. First free throw para kay Enrico. Ayun, pumasok na.
Only his 8th point in the ball game. At ito na, papasok na rin si Asi Taolava. Yan ang makikita niyo yung scoring ni Asi Taulava. Total of 21 points for the Rock. Ito si Rico Villanueva, so far shooting 2 of 8 from the free throw line.
Make that 2 of 9 and eto, magandang senyales dahil nakabalik na sa ating ball game si Jimmy Alapag for the Talk and Text Phone Pals. 5-point lead for Talk and Text. William Miller, bounce pass, nabasa at naagawan. Here's Topex Robinson against Alapag, behind the back to Junti Valenzuela.
Wala pa rin.
But the trailer, Enrico Villanueva, completes the play. 77-74 against Red Bull. Mark Zambrano po with Richard Del Rosario. Enjoying intense action sa ating PBA on tour dito po sa Dumaguete City. Asi Taulava, almost losing it baseline. Cardona, tumihit. Cardona ang sikip ng dinaanan ni Captain Hook. At may nice pata na foul. Itong ating referee, Junti Valenzuela, guilty of his second personal foul.
Alam mo, kanina 11 points na lamang itong Talk and Text. Kaya nga sinabi natin, pag-akala natin may team na lalayo, biglang babalik yung kabilang team. Now, Red Bull only down by 3 points.
Jimmy Alapag kicks it outside to Mac Cardona. Will he get the bounce? Oh boy! Nakakuha pa yung lucky bounce. So that's a TM3. At sa atin ang bagong TM, power to the people. 80-74, Talk and Text in control. Tugade from the outside, still nothing para kay Lordy sa TM country. Richard.
Tama yan.
Pero ito, Enrico Villanueva.
Time, ito si Mac Cardona was left all alone against 2 former Ateneans. So they ganged up on him na tinawag against Mac Cardona.
Kala ko bumiyahe tayo doon sa college days nila, doon sa play na yun eh. Pantala ito, umikot at lumakas for Enrico. Pero ito na naman si Topex Robinson with a rebound. Tugade, perimeter, still nothing. Para dito kay Lordy Tugade. Hirap na hirap pumasok si Lordy dito.
That's right. Good call by the referees as si Asi went up to get that pass by Jimmy Alapag. Kinapitan siya nitong si Junti Valenzuela. Pangalawang foul na yan ni Junti Valenzuela. You see that coaching staff of Talk and Text questioning yung earlier play.
So ito, it will be a side court throw in for the Talk and Text Phone Pals. Vic Pablo will do the honors. Binigay kay Asi Taulava. Talk and Text on top by just 4 points sa ating final quarter. Taulava tumawag ng timeout dahil naipit na siya ng depensa ng Red Bull Barako. So wisely calling a timeout for Talk and Text. 30-second variety lang ang tinawag dito ng Talk and Text Phone Pals who are just on top by 4 points.
And si Jimmy Alapag is being carried to the bench. So bad news here for Talk and Text Phone Pals. Siguro yung kaninang nararamdaman niya lalo sumasakit. Pero yan, I think is cramping up right now. Oo.
That's gonna hurt.
Yes. Talagang nangyayari yan, especially because of the heat, humidity. Talagang you're exerting your best effort. At yan, nagka-crap up na yan si Jimmy Alapag. Yeah, he's being attended to by the trainers of Talk and Text Phone Pals as we see here the matchup between the Rock and the Raging Bull. Sa points, lamang si Taulava, but rebounding lamang naman itong si Villanueva. Both have 3 shot blocks each. So magandang matchup to.
Well, Asi Taulava was big for Talk and Text in our first half. At nakarami rin sa slam dunk. Ito si Asi. Samantalang dito sa ating second half, nag-uumpisa na rin mag-init. Itong si Raging Bull, Enrico Villanueva. Talk and Text on the offensive. Taulava, binigay kay Cardona. Makmak, pinilit. Oh boy!
Let's see.
Off the glass, acrobatic shot for Mac Cardona. Remains to be seen if that will count. Pero what a shot for
Yes,
Makmak.
they will count it plus a foul. Wala nang oras sa shot clock. Ayun. Binato na lang ni Makmak and well,
Sanay siya talaga yung mga awkward na tira na ganun.
that's right. Pero that time he was more lucky than good, no?
So ito 82-76, Talk and Text still on top. Nalalabing oras natin for the ball game. 7 minutes and 42 seconds. Tugade over to Topex. Robinson, hinahanap si Enrico, di mapasahan. Junti Valenzuela loses the ball. Outside to Rich Alvarez. Short. Put back by Enrico. Wala pa rin at maubusan ng oras. Etong, teka muna, tumama na daw sa ring eh. Oo, tumama na eh. Teka, let's see what's happening here.
I think there's a foul that was called.
Oh, John Ferrios will be called for a foul.
So good break here for Red Bull. As so Rich Alvarez medyo still struggling, no? For his offense. So far, Alvarez wala pang puntos.
You know, this guy, mula nung umalis siya from Shell, nag-dip talaga ang performance ito si Rich Alvarez.
Well, still adjusting to his new team.
Mantala, Junti Valenzuela from the right side. Valenzuela.
Oh!
Look at Topex Robinson. Getting some air at pinalakpakan naman ng mga fans dito. Grabe naman yung talon ni Topex.
Oo, nabilib talaga sila din sa leaping ability na pinakita ni Topex. Actually, konti na lang, parang follow-up dunk pa eh.
Cardona, intended for Ferriol, stolen away. Here's Topex. Robinson, binigay kay Enrico Villanueva, who will score on a fantastic layup for Red Bull.
And now they're only down by 2 points as Topex Robinson planned that all the way. Nakita niyang nagtitrail doon si Rico Villanueva.
82-80. Can't get any better than this, mga kaibigan. Asi Taulava forces the issue. Nothing. Rebound by Junti. Villanueva gets the ball. Sidestep. Villanueva will miss. Nakuha niya rebound. Villanueva again. Still nothing. 2 misses for Enrico Villanueva from point blank range. Cardona still not good.
With his patented teardrop shot, ito si Mac Cardona as the action picks up.
Yung mga ganun tira ni Mac Cardona, you can book that from that distance. Junti Valenzuela will try his hand on a 3. Wala yan. Come on, Richard, this game has developed into a really exciting battle.
Oh yes, the fans here to Dumaguete are being treated to a thrilling ball game.
Natala ito. Victor Pablo, fall away. Wala. Si Asi Taulava. You can see yung pagtalo niya. Kung pwede lang mag-criss-cross lahat ng braso niya doon sa pagkakatulak sa kanya.
Oh, to try to get the attention of the referees sa pagkakakapit sa kanya. At yan, natawagan na ikalima.
Oo.
Na foul ni Enrico Villanueva. Still a long way to go here. 5 minutes and 40 seconds.
So Leo Avenido checks in for Vic Pablo. And Harvey Carey replaces John Ferriols. Taulava gets the inbound pass. Over to Mac Cardona. Captain Hook almost stolen away. Cardona, now libre, inside to Willie
nice pass.
Harvey Carey. And if I'm not mistaken, I saw them do the same exact play nung practice nila isang araw.
That's right, but a good job of Willie Miller locating the open Harvey Carey underneath the basket.
And just like that, umangat na naman sa 6 ang kalamangan ng talk and text. Here's Enrico. Nilabas kay Lordi. Lordi, madadapa. There's slick spot on the floor. Tenisi over to Topex Robinson. And that will be a backcourt violation at mauubusan na rin ng oras. Itong Red Bull Barako. So, bola babalik sa talk and text phone pals. Pagkakataon para palaguin itong 6 na puntong kalamangan nila sa ating final quarter.
So talagang game of runs ang nangyayari dito. As the talk and text phone pals talagang preserving their lead. It went down to as little as 2 points.
Correct.
Pero ngayon, they made big baskets.
Here's Asi. Outside to Leo Avenido. Balik kay Taulava. Asi. Asi is called for the offensive foul. So, nagulat itong si Mick Denisi.
Well, the referees, have been calling that offensive foul all throughout the ball game.
Pero hindi sa ball game na to, maganda nilalaro niya, especially in a crucial time like this.
That is right. And a lot of confidence being shown here by Coach Derek Pumarin dito kay Mac Cardona. Now playing a bigger role para dito sa talk and text phone pal.
So back to the action here in the 4th and final quarter. Nandito pa rin po kami sa loob ng Lamberto Macias Sports and Cultural Center sa Dumaguete City in the province of Oriental Negros. This is still our continuing coverage of the PBA on tour. Mark Zambrano with Richard Del Rosario bring you this exciting ball game. Larry Fonacier over to Enrico. Nilabas kay Larry. Finds Mick Penisi. Libre from the outside. Mintis ang tira ni Mick Penisi.
Oh, good line. In and out lang.
Miller throws it right across to Leo Avenido. Binigay kay Harvey Carey. Hit ni Harvey Carey. No call on that play. Samantala libre si Topex. He fakes, he takes the shot, and he gets 2 points para sa Red Bull Barako.
So ito na naman ang Red Bull. Humahabol na naman ngayon.
11 points in the ball game for Topex. Pero sa kanya rin matatawag yung foul na yon. Masyadong madikit sa depensa itong si Topex Robinson.
Penalty na itong Red Bull with 4 minutes and 3 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter.
Topex with his third personal foul. At ito na ngayon si Thriller Miller.
So far with 8 points itong si Willie Miller in this ball game.
4-point lead lang ang pinangahawakan ng Talk and Text. So very important free throws para kay Willie Miller. First one is good.
Tuwan-tuwa yung mga fans ng Talk and Text sa likod natin.
Palakpakan eh.
Oo.
Second free throw para dito kay Willie Miller. 9 points and 2 rebounds so far in the ball game. Pero mintis yung pangalawang free throw.
Back Cardona.
Oo.
Getting that offensive board against Mick Penisi.
And he's just playing really well. Sobrang alert nito si Mac Cardona in this ball game. Kalahin mo naman ma-out-rebound niya. Ito si Mick Penisi.
Oo, grabe. And you see the frustration on the face of Coach Yeng Giao.
Captain Hook, Mac Cardona. Alam ko marami sa inyo hindi sanay na mahaba ang buhok nitong si Mac Cardona. Kami rin po. And his first free throw goes in.
So Mac Cardona already double digits, 10 points, 6 rebounds so far.
One more para dito kay Captain Hook, Mac Cardona. Trying to get his 11th point of the game. Pero mintis yung second free throw. Red Bull off and running. Larry Fonacier. Over to Mick Penisi. Libre si Mick Penisi. Wala. Yung kanya 3-pointer rebound. Bugia. Still nothing. Topex Robinson. Offensive board and put back. 13 points in the game for Topex Robinson. Puro ilalim pa yung tira niya.
Magtataka ka nga eh. What's he doing there? He's supposed to be the smallest guy on the floor. Pero siya ba'y nakakuha ng mga baskets inside the paint?
Lob pass for Asitaw Lava. Easy give and go play for Talk and Text. Gives them a 6-point lead with 3 minutes and 26 remaining in the ball game.
And that's just a great pass coming from Leo Avenido. Eksakto para kay Asitaw Lava.
Larry Fonacier, the floater from 15. Wala. Rebound, Asi. Talk and Text. Here's Cardona. Pihit ni Cardona. Lob pass. Blocked. Harap-harapan by Paulo Bugia. Fonacier na libre. Brings it closer. Mick Penisi taking 3.
Oh, nice pass.
Pass galing dito kay Cyrus Baguio.
Grabe, good give and go play. And you know, ang ganda ng pasa doon. Para shovel pass coming from Cyrus Baguio.
At ito, medyo may problema dito. As we mentioned, the humidity nitong ating venue. Kung pati si Asitaw Lava, kinakramps na dito.
Oo nga, medyo nakakaramdam na ng cramps itong si Asitaw Lava because, you know, he's been a workhorse in this game. Mick Penisi with 17 points, 9 rebounds. Big ball game para kay Mick Penisi. Nakalima na siyang TM3 in this ball game.
So ito, Talk and Text forced to field in John Ferriols para dito kay Asitaw Lava. Second casualty na sa Talk and Text. So, nauna kanina si Jimmy Alapag. Ngayon, si Asitaw Lava.
That is right, no? Kaya yung big 2 ng Talk and Text phone pals.
Mick Penisi second bounces out. So ito, pagsak sa lapag si John Ferriols at si Paulo Bugia.
Matatawagan ng foul. Si Harvey Carey.
Harvey Carey will be the guilty party.
So pareho nang nasa penalty, dalawang kupunan.
So So fourth personal foul para dito kay Harvey Carey. Since penalty na itong talk and text, Paulo Bugia will have his trip to the line. Still a 5-point advantage for the talk and text phone pals. Bugia, first free throw. Nako, malakas off the back iron.
Ayan ang nagiging problema nila, free throw shooting.
Ayan, nakita natin sa screen natin. Kanina, Jimmy Alapag. Right now, Asi Taulava. Halo-halo na, patsi-patsi na nilalagay na ointment, na yellow. Pati yung oxygen is there dahil mainit po talaga itong ating venue. Still a 5-point lead. 2 misses from the free throw line para dito kay Paulo Bugia. Willie Miller against Topex. Binigay kay Harvey Carey. Harvey has to kick it out. Mac Cardona making some space.
Oh, sayang na ito sa bailout foul given up by Larry Fonashier. As the shot clock was down to 2 seconds.
And inis na inis sa sarili niya itong si Larry Fonashier.
Actually, mas inis siya sa referee Kaya dahil na tinawag nga yun with 2 seconds on the shot clock. Again, mabibigyan pa ng free throws itong si Mac Cardona.
Captain Hook with a great game. His first free throw is good. So dito, angat na ng 6 ang talk and text phone pals. May isa pang parating para kay Mac Cardona. Mac Cardona for his second free throw. Likewise in. So just like that, ito na ang kalamangan na wala na.
Yes, pero even though they're staring at the 7-point lead, there's lots of time here for Red Bull to catch up.
Topex Robinson anchoring the play for Red Bull. Larry Fonashier. Hinahanap si Mick Pinisi, maagawan ni Harvey Carey. Here's Harvey. It's a foot race. Carey against Baguio. Carey scores over Cyrus Baguio. And the talk and text phone pals are doing everything right. Balikan natin yung steal. Harvey Carey was also at the other end. And alam natin, Harvey Carey right here. Foot race against the high-flying Cyrus Baguio. What a layup para kay Harvey Carey. Giving talk and text a lead, 94-85. Better record. Itong talk and text phone pals. Nasabi namin kanina, practice very early para makuha nila yung momentum against the Red Bull Paraco. Pero it looks like Red Bull will not give up easily in this ball game.
Oh, definitely they're not going to give up dahil they still have enough time.
Mick Pinisi libre sa kanan. He will miss.
Oh, what a rebound there! Grabe!
Rebound ni Topex.
Oo. Pero mo, ang taas ng talon itong si Topex Robinson. Di lang nga pumasok yung follow-up.
But you have to give it to the guy. I mean, for a guy his size, out-rebounding players a lot taller than he is, a lot bigger than he is. No, kung ako yung coach, I will really applaud his efforts sa rebounding.
Of course, syempre. At, well, kaya sayang nga lang, hindi na natapos, no? Pero, yun nga yung sinasabi mo, he has a nose for the ball, maganda yung timing nito si Topex Robinson. Pero ito si John Farios naman ngayon, ang masusubukan from the free throw line.
John Ferriols, his first free throw.
Wala.
Lumabas. And we have a substitution here. Papahinga muna si Cyrus Baguio. At pabalik sa ating ball game si Junti Valenzuela.
Alam mo, ito si John Ferriols. Only with 7 points pero he has 17 big rebounds for talk and text.
But he misses 2 free throws pero nakuha pa niya yung bola for talk and text.
Ayun na nga, no? Talagang good hustle being shown here by the transferee. Ito si John Ferriols.
Previously of Air 21 Express, now strutting his wares para sa talk and text phone pals. Ferriols against Bugia, inside for Leo Avenido. And it will be last touch kay Avenido. A minute and 33 remaining sa ating ball game. Red Bull trailing. Lordy Tugade takes a 3-pointer. Ayun, nakapuntos na finally. Etong si Lordy Tugade, TM3 yan. At sa atin ang bagong TM, power to the people.
Kaya nga hindi mo pwedeng discount pa yung comeback dito ng Red Bull because of guys like Lordy Tugade and Mick Pinisi.
Mac Cardona with a great ball game for the Talk and Text Phone Pals. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang kanyang magandang performance dito. Mac Cardona started his PBA playing career very quietly, offensively. Pero as the games progressed, as time passed by, nakikita na natin unti-unti nang nagagamay ni Mac Cardona yung PBA style of play.
That's right, and great composure being shown here by Mac Cardona, sinking those pressure-packed free throws to score his 13th and 14th point respectively. At ito, ang first error for Red Bull. Very crucial, mas lalo na ngayon, endgame na to. It's a simple pass. Nabitawan pa ng Red Bull.
Errors like that will not help their cause dito sa ating fourth quarter. Leo Avenido trying to get away from Lordy Tugade. Lalabas ang bola. It will stay with with Talk and Text. 16 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Paco.
Oh, this is only a 2-possession ball game. Marami pang oras sa ating game clock.
Willie Miller trapped by a double team. And nagulat itong si Lordy Tugade at si Paulo Bugia on that whistle by the referees.
Because it was not really they didn't have to foul talaga, no? Dahil nga, sabi natin, 2-possession ball game lang to. So all they needed to do was get a stop. Pero ngayon, mabibigyan ng free throw opportunity itong si Willie Miller. Willie Miller with 9 points.
Chance to extend the lead para dito sa Talk and Text Phone Pals. Thriller Miller. First free throw. Nako, wala.
Kasi may sumigaw sa likod, nagulat si Willie Miller.
9 points and 2 rebounds. Make that 10 points para kay Willie Miller. As pumasok yung kanyang second free throw, lamang ng 7. Ang Talk and Text 97 to 90. Lordy Tugade na libre for 3. Could have been big. Topex with a rebound.
Oh my God, look at this little guy, Topex Robinson. Go for that rebound. Grabe, no? Yung leaping ability nito si Topex Robinson.
And even everyone doon sa Talk and Text bench, Richard, nakikita ko dito sa tabi natin. Nagugulat sila eh.
Tsaka, I mean, for a small guy like him, he has 5 offensive rebounds already. Tsaka yung mga offensive rebounds na yung bumabaksak lang sa kanya. Talagang he's jumping for it, tas out-jumping yung mga much taller opponents.
Topex Robinson makes his first free throw. And if ever Red Bull gets to win this ball game, I think one thing they can credit yung rebounding ni Topex Robinson.
That's right. And also with 16 points ni Topex Robinson, and ayun na naman siya.
Grabe ang hustle ni Topex Robinson. Parang gusto niya naglalaro dito sa Dumaguete.
Alam mo naman, hindi lang dito sa Dumaguete, kahit sa lahat ng ball games itong Red Bull, kaya naman siya pinagkakatiwalaan ni Coach Yeng Guiao because of the hustle that he gives and the heart that he's showing for Red Bull.
Topex Robinson, first free throw is good. Well, that's a good thing eh. Pag nakakita tayo ng mga ganyang player who's not scared, walang katakot-takot talagang magcha-challenge yung mga malalaki sa ilalim. 17 points for Topex Robinson. 4-point lead for Talk and Text. 28 seconds remaining in the ball game. Avenido, binigay kay John Ferriols. Leo Avenido, thinking 3. Binigay muna kay Willie Miller. 7 seconds on the shot clock. John Ferriols, nakipagbanggaan. The follow.
Oh, big basket.
John Ferriols.
Wow, big basket there for John Ferriols. With a shot clock winding down.
Ano, 6 na ang kalamangan ng Talk and Text. 11 seconds. And a massive block galing dito kay John Ferriols.
And that will be it for this ball game. No? I think Talk and Text will go on to win this with only 9.6 seconds remaining.
Ito, Lordy Tugade will try to score on the lean-in.
Yes. At tuloy-tuloy na itong Talk and Text to get this victory in this very exciting ball game. They worked hard for this, and credit also goes to Red Bull for putting up a gallant